Hello and welcome to another video walk around. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2018 Ram 3500. This is a 5-passenger pickup truck sitting on 22-inch wheels. And some of the great exterior features you'll find on this vehicle are a smart key, power side steps, as well as a bed liner. Bringing us inside the vehicle, we have our key fob here with our lock and unlock buttons. It is a smart key, so you can either lock the door by just pressing this button right here or unlock it by just placing your hand inside the handle. Right when you open the door, you have your power sliding side steps come out. Taking a look at our driver door, you have your power mirrors and power window adjustments, some of that wood trim. You do get some extra storage down here, a few buttons beside the steering wheel, your all-weather mats. You do get that black leather interior with your Larmie stamp on it, as well as your sunroof. Taking a look inside, we'll start off with the steering wheel, where you'll find a dial to switch to your car's different menus and settings. You do have your hands-free calling, as well as your cruise control on that side. Taking a look at the odometer, where you'll see that this Ram 3500 has 83,345 kilometers. Getting to our big touchscreen, you do have your standard AM and FM audio, as well as your Bluetooth connection. Taking a look at our seat controls, you have your heated and ventilated seats, as well as a heated steering wheel. You do have a mirror dimmer, as well as your backup camera and your cargo camera. You also have navigation and a lot of different other apps in your truck. Right down here, you do have your audio controls, as well as those climate control settings that we saw on the screen. And right beside that, you do have your push start and your locking differentials, your 4-wheel drive and your 4-wheel drive low. Right in the middle, you do got loads of storage down here, as well as your 2 cup holders and a little storage compartment right here. Taking a look in the back, again, you get those power side steps, your wood trim on your door, some extra storage down there. And right between the seats, you do get 3-level heated seating as well. You do get your all-weather mats back here, as well as your black leather interior. And if you want some extra space down here, it's as easy as just lifting these seats up. You do get a nice little speaker here, as well as some extra storage right below. Taking a look at the bed of the pickup truck, you do have your backup camera right there. You do get a big bed covered in that bed liner. Taking a final look at the Dodge Ram, some of those great interior features included your heated and ventilated seats, your heated steering wheel and Bluetooth audio, and as well as your backup camera and bed camera. There's still a lot I did not get to cover, so why don't you come down and take it out for a test drive. We're located off of 137 Ave and St. Albert Trail.